Hello, I'm Adrian Botham, otherwise known as the Shares Coach, and I'm so excited that you've come to visit this page today. If you don't mind, I'd just like to take a few moments of your time to explain how you could learn to triple your investment returns in the next 7 weeks or less. Yes, I know that sounds like a tall order at the moment, and you probably don't believe me, but please allow me a few moments to explain. This programme is for those of you who are fed up of earning a paltry 2% to 3% on your savings and paying high fees and commissions to bankers and fund managers to invest your money on your behalf in the stock market. In this programme, I'll be teaching you how you can start to invest directly into company shares in the stock market and start getting much higher returns than the 2% to 3% that you're getting on your savings. According to the Barclays Capital Equity Gilt Study, the long-term average return on the UK stock market has been 9% per annum, and on the US stock market it's been 10% per annum. So as you see, if you can start to emulate those kind of long-term average returns, then you'll be more than tripling the 2% to 3% per annum that you're getting on your savings. Personally, I've been investing into the UK stock market now for more than 15 years, and over that time period I've been achieving an average annual return of 11.4%. If you'd like to learn how to make your money work harder and start to emulate my modest stock market success, then I'd love you to come and join me on my programme. It teaches you everything that you need to know to get started investing in the stock market, and it's delivered over the course of 7 weeks, although you can take longer to complete it if you wish. It's perhaps also worth saying that one of my previous clients saved double the cost of his programme using the things he learned in the very first module of the programme. If you can't wait to get started on the programme, then all you have to do is to click one of the buy buttons that you can find on this page and you get immediate access to the programme. Alternatively, if you'd like a few more details first, then please keep listening. I'd just like to take a few moments of your time to introduce you to this unique 7-step system designed to transform you into a confident stock market share investor in just 7 weeks. So let's now take a look at the 7 weekly modules of the system in more detail, and as you examine what's inside, I want you to think about how you can start applying these 7 steps to your own financial situation right now. It all starts by getting you into the optimal position before you start investing. It shows you how to seize control of your finances, maximize your spare cash, identify your cash leaks, eliminate wasteful spending habits, and how to create a fortress to protect your investments from those unforeseen emergencies so you don't get caught out having to sell your shares at a time when it is not optimal for you to do so. Just about all beginners to share investing miss this vital step, and it is a key reason for their failure. Before you invest a penny in the stock market, you need to set your objectives, driven by your own reasons for investing and what success means for you. This might sound simple, but underestimate it at your peril. This module asks you the deep, soul-searching questions that are vital to your financial success, and the answers will drive your strategy later on. Investing in company shares in the stock market is not for everyone, and I want to make sure that it is absolutely right for you because safety is paramount in this system. So this module explains the stock market, how it works, and your various options as an investor. It reveals what the financial services middlemen never tell you because it's not in their interest to do so, and it provides practical information for minimizing your costs and maximizing your profits safely. If you want to buy and sell shares, then you need a stockbroker to do that for you. This may sound a bit scary. I know it was for me when I started, and there are so many different brokers and types of brokers available these days. So how do you know which one is right for you? This module cuts through all the manure and reveals the essentials you need to know. By the end of this module, you will be ready to open an account with your chosen broker. Remember when I said earlier that knowing your objectives was vital to your success? Well, this is the module where we utilize your personal objectives to decide your best investment strategy. We work together to map out your path to stock market success, and then use this to identify a target shortlist of company shares that fit your strategy. If you are like 99% of beginners who don't know which shares to buy, that's because you've not decided your investment strategy properly based on your objectives. It's now time to whittle down your shortlist of company shares to just one, your first or your next purchase. Watch me demonstrate several alternative methods of sniffing out and analysing company shares in real time for you to emulate during your own company research. Increase your share picking success by knowing what to look for, how to sniff out the red flags that indicate potential trouble for a company, and learning when bad news is really good news in disguise. This is the final module where you have that stock market breakthrough that you've been dreaming of. Overcome the practical obstacles that every new share investor has, such as how much should I be investing? How do I use my broker to buy shares? How many shares should I own in my portfolio? And so on. Watch me buying some shares for myself via my online broker so you will know in advance what to expect. Then go and do it yourself before celebrating your stock market breakthrough and start of your journey to your financial success. You don't have to buy, of course, it's entirely up to you. If you're quite happy earning 2% to 3% on your savings and on struggling to learn how to invest in the stock market yourself by reading books, financial magazines, share tip newsletters and not knowing what to do for the best, then it's okay to continue doing that if you wish. It's going to take you several more years yet in order to learn how to be a successful stock market investor by this method though. Alternatively, you could get everything that you need to know all in one place in the next 7 weeks. And as I said earlier, I'd love for you to come and join me on my program. All you have to do is click one of the buy buttons on this page to enroll. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.